Where does the air in your water come from? And why does it appear on your bill? Your water is driven into the city grid from pumping stations, treatment plants, and towers. As the great pumps turn, cavitation folds tiny pockets of air into the flow. Hydrant work and main repairs add more. In the transmission mains, above 200 pounds per square inch, that air rides along compressed and easy to miss. At your property, the main branches into a smaller, tapered service line, and the pressure must fall to the domestic band. As it falls, every pocket of air swells to 3 or 4 times its size. The narrower line adds turbulence, sweeping that swollen air through the meter, and a meter simply counts volume. It cannot tell air from water. Every bubble is billed. Air gets in. Falling pressure makes it grow, and the meter bills it, on water and sewer alike. The air is built into the system itself. The fix, as you are about to see, bolts on in minutes, directly after your meter. Part 2. The water savings valve. Here is the same line at work. Watch the meter. The air rides in with the water, and the register climbs faster than the water you actually receive. Every bubble that crosses the billing point is registered and billed as water on both the water and the sewer charges. The water savings valve installs once, just after the meter, constructed from Acetron GP and stainless steel. No power and no maintenance. In service, it holds a controlled back pressure, compressing the air to its true volume before it crosses the meter. Surges are absorbed, the flow steadies, and the pressure at your taps and fixtures remains exactly as it was. A fingertip dial tunes the valve to each site's unique flow and pressure profile, externally, without ever shutting off the water. The water savings valve. The same service, the same pressure, simply a smaller bill. Measured, verified, and guaranteed, at a minimum of 15%.